Buying crypto fast in 2025, let us talk about the MoonPay if it is still worth it or should you leave it. MoonPay lets you buy crypto with your debit or credit card. In minutes, no exchange account needed. It supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and tons of altcoins. Plus, it's integrated with wallets like MetaMask and Trust Wallet. It is actually fast. Most purchases hit your wallet within minutes, but here's the catch. The fees are high, especially for credit card purchases, and rates can vary depending on traffic and coin demand. Whether if you want to trust this is that MoonPay is actually legit and regulated in several regions with strong security protocols. Still, KYC is required and some other users report ID verification delays or failed transaction. For the comments for this is that it is actually quick, easy crypto buys, especially for beginners, and it is totally worth it. But if you want lower fees, then stick to traditional exchanges. MoonPay in 2025 is fast, simple, but not the cheapest ride in the crypto community.